Hey, my name is Carlota. Thank you very much for joining me. This time, we are going to work on character design to create a pirate crew. What are we going to do? First, we are going to talk about history and movie references, and then we are going to apply the main features to a group of characters. Throughout the course, we are going to learn about how to do the composition for a pirate, according to the features we would like to highlight. We are going to generate 3 characters inspired by 3 actual pirates that existed in real life but adapted to a younger audience. Later on, we are going to vectorize them in Illustrator and do the final touches in Photoshop to get the end result. So, shall we begin? Are you in? Let's go!